Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam, and today is the first Friday of September, which means a new series on the channel. And I figured with football just around the corner that I would share with you guys game day recipes all month long. These are recipes that are so easy to make, doesn't require you to be in the kitchen too long, and everyone will absolutely love them. So the first recipe that I'm sharing with you guys is a balsamic double tomato bruschetta. Super easy to make, doesn't require that many ingredients, and it's a definite crowd pleaser. So if you guys like game day recipes, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So in front of me, I've already prepped all the ingredients. This comes together so easily. Right here in this big bowl, I have about 6 Roma tomatoes, and they're actually from my garden, so they're extra fresh. I've got a little bit of chopped onions, about a small onion. And then over here, I have some sun-dried tomatoes. These were in oil and already julienne, so I didn't do anything else with it. I've got some garlic that I've just minced, some basil, also fresh from the garden, oil, balsamic vinegar, and then salt and pepper. And that's really all. I am gonna be eating these with some baguettes, French baguette that I've toasted up already. So this, you'll see, super easy. So I've got my tomatoes and onion. To that, I'm gonna add the sun-dried tomato, the garlic, the basil, and you guys, my basil from the garden is so fresh smelling. The oil, balsamic vinegar, and then just to kind of taste, just some salt and pepper. And then you just give it all a good mix. And honestly, the longer this kind of sits in the fridge, the better it just keeps tasting. Just because all that oil, the balsamic vinegar, the garlic, it just marinates the tomatoes and just gets better and better tasting. All right, guys, that is it. That looks perfect. All you do is take some baguette slices. You can actually find them already sliced for you, but I just bought a big loaf and I sliced it myself. But just take a piece of this, and you know, sometimes if I'm feeling extra fancy, what I do is I kind of top it off like this, add a little bit of mozzarella cheese, and then broil it for a few minutes, and it just adds an extra layer of flavor. But for today, I'm just gonna keep it very simple, because you know what? When you're watching a game and you just want a quick snack, you don't got time to put it in the oven and broil it with cheese. You just wanna have a quick little bite. So, all right. I highly recommend that you guys toast your baguette to get that extra crunch. But you guys, the basil, the balsamic, the tomatoes, it's a match made in heaven. It tastes so good. It's nice and just, Definitely try this recipe out. You guys saw how simple it was. It's perfect for game day. And if you guys like game day recipes, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.